Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by loading an SSL style EQ after your preamp or compressor. This positions the EQ to shape tone, not fix level. First, solo the vocal and set gain so peaks sit around -6 to -3 dBFS. Engage the high-pass filter between 60 and 120 Hz to remove rumble. You keep the body while eliminating mud. Once done, sweep a narrow bell at low-mid frequencies to identify boxiness. Then notch gently, small moves. You want character, not a surgical removal. Now you sculpt the midrange. This is where clarity or congestion lives, with a midband Q around 0. 7 to 1. 2. Sweep 14 kHz. Boost subtly to add intelligibility or cut to tame nasal harshness. Make moves of 1 to 3 dB. Once you hear an airy lift, introduce a gentle shelf or bell between 3 and 6 kHz to bring presence, but keep it musical. Simultaneously, sweep 200 to 600 Hz and apply small cuts to reduce muddiness. Always check the vocal. Finish by adding high-end sparkle. Use a high shelf around 8 to 12 kHz with tiny boosts, typically +0. 5 to +2 dB to add air without exaggerating sibilance. Then bypass the EQ and a /B against the original while the whole mix plays. This confirms musical improvement. If you still need level control, automate gain or revisit the compressor. If harshness or sibilance appears, reduce the Q or gain of the boost, and employ a de-esser targeted at the offending frequency. This solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.